JND Type 2 electric vehicle charging cable comes with a handy storage bag for easy portability. Includes hook and loop straps for neat cable organization and hassle-free management. Features dust covers on both ends to safeguard the connectors from dust and other impurities. This model operates at a current of 32 amperes. It delivers a powerful 22 kilowatt with an IP rating of 55 for enhanced durability and protection. Additionally, it is available in 3 variants: 7 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, and 22 kilowatts, catering to the diverse charging requirements of various vehicles.